Bouncy elongated curls. Frizz-free finish. Natural looking, crunch-free hold. Minimizes shrinkage. Smooths moisturizes. Palmer's coconut oil formula moisture boost system restores hair experiencing dryness or damage with natural reparatives that instantly and deeply lock in moisture from root to tip, visibly improving your hair's condition after each use. Perfectly smooths and holds edges and baby hair. Flexible, non-sticky gel, no flaking, no running, no hardening. Glides on smoothly for a firm, long-lasting hold. Perfect for sculpting, sleeking, baby hairs, ponytails and up dose. Ingredients. Water, Aqua, Cocos Nucifera, coconut, fruit extract, Cetearyl alcohol, Glycerin, Methylheptyl Isostearate, Cocos Nucifera, coconut, oil, Glyceryl Oleate Citrate, Behentrimonium Chloride, Amodimethicone, Pentaerythrityl Tetraethylhexanoate, Cocos Nucifera, coconut, water, Gardenia Tahitensis flower extract, Tocopherol, Tocopherol acetate, leuconostock, radish root ferment filtrate, Oryza sativa, rice, bran wax, Behentrimonium alcohol, hydroxyethyl ceteramitopropyldimonium chloride, caprylic, capric triglyceride, caprylol glycol, isopropyl alcohol, ethyl lauroyl argonate HCl, aluminum starch octanyl succinate, guar hydroxypropyltrimonium chloride, citric acid, tetrasodium glutamate diacetate, sodium chloride, sodium glycolate, saccharide isomerate, sodium citrate, fragrance, parfum, coumarin, benzyl benzoate, limonene. Top reviews from the United States. The best. Love it.